Today, we're diving into a head-to-head showdown between two popular contenders, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and the Falken ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun. Both tires are designed with advanced technology and sustainability in mind, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's find out. In wet performances, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus outperformed the Falken ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun in wet braking, stopping 1 meter shorter. Both tires ranked in the top 4 for wet braking, with the Primacy 4 Plus in second place and the ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun in fourth. When it comes to wet handling, the Primacy 4 Plus achieved a faster lap time by 0.86 seconds. However, in subjective handling tests, both tires performed equally well. The ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun had a slight advantage in aquaplaning resistance, with better performance in both straight and curved aquaplaning tests. In dry conditions, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus slightly edged out the ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun in braking distance by 0.12 meters. However, the ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun excelled in dry handling, with a faster lap time and a subjective advantage of 5 points over the Primacy 4 Plus. Both tires performed similarly in exterior noise tests, but the Primacy 4 Plus was marginally quieter by 1.3 decibels. In terms of comfort, the ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun had a 0.5-point lead, offering a more comfortable ride overall. Rolling resistance is crucial for sustainability. Surprisingly, despite its eco designation, the ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun had a higher rolling resistance coefficient of 8.7 compared to the Primacy 4 Plus 8.2, indicating that the Primacy 4 Plus is more efficient in this regard. To sum up, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus excels in wet braking, noise reduction, and rolling resistance, while the Falken ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun stands out in dry handling and comfort. Both tires have their strengths, making this a close contest. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.